Welcome pros, this is Waleed El Sayed calling. I just completed a bold 100 for the day, and here are the stats I thought to share with everybody. So a bold 100 is when we call and we make 100 contacts asking for business. Took me 4 hours to do it, made 299 dials, spoke with 102 people, so I made contact with 102 people and asked them for business, not just let me know if you need anything. I asked them about their real estate plans. I asked them to buy or sell or invest in real estate. And I asked for referrals as well whenever the opportunity presented itself or whenever I decided to make the opportunity present itself. So I got one nurture out of it. That means there is one person who I feel will be looking to transact within the next 2 years. I put them in my database, and it was actually earlier than 2 years. We scheduled an appointment out of it also. So the one nurture also happened to be an appointment. So overall, it was a challenging day. Still got an appointment and a good day. So thanks, pros. This is your Realtor for Life, Waleed El Sayed, signing off and reminding everyone to let's have a productive day.